Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was on the fence about if I was going to talk about this or not, but how to handle failure. So let's just talk about it. So I don't think that word describes, it means different to me. So alright, failure to me is kind of giving up. Just stopping, where, and that's a different word. You're going to have setbacks. You're going to have things not go your way. I mean, I've been trying to figure out, I was intrigued by programming when I was 18 years old and thought it was the neatest thing. Tried on and off for like a year, couldn't figure out how to do that. Then life happened. Then a lot of failure, setback happened, but I showed up every day. Look, that's what the trick to all this is you get to start over every day. You wake up the next day, you start over. You go from there. I mean, this channel, I'm blown away. Now, comparison with other channels, it is very, 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 very small. But I love every single one of the 5,911, whatever it is right now. And because I call these real views and real subscribers who you guys are sitting here watching. And I've been doing this for almost 4 years, but I get up every day and I do it. The day that I stop, that's giving up. That's failure in my part, in my thoughts. So if you ever feel down or feel like it's not going well, I want you to think about this 44-year-old guy who gets up every day and just does it over and over and over again. If you're just in that place, because I've been there, I know what it's like. You're just like, there's just so much. And that's fine. But just get up, get going, take one step, one foot in front of the other. Just don't stop. I don't know if I can quote a movie or say, I can quote a movie, but I don't know if I need to not say what it's from. But it's a child's movie that might be almost 20 years old now, but there's a character in the movie, and it's just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Don't ever stop swimming. Just keep going. So my journey has been basically, 27 years of where I am now, and I'm just now starting to figure it out. So now that's not supposed to be depressing, but I never stopped. So I want you to think about that. And there is a lot, like I get comments. I'm in my 20s. Yeah, life's gonna kick you around. That's what it's supposed to do. So you can figure out who you are. And I'm 44, and I'm just now starting to figure it out. And if you're already figuring it out, great. But I'm talking to the ones who just don't know, don't get it, don't have it figured out yet. That's fine. There is a lot of life. So basically, I'm kind of figuring out what I'm going to do for the next 20 years. That's how I'm thinking about it. So I just wanted to share that it is okay. Life's going to kick you around. It's absolutely fine. So just don't stop getting up. One foot in front of the other. Just keep swimming. All right, guys. There we go. Finishing out the week. Going to be continuously going. Let's see where we are. So you guys have been, and I want to tell you guys thank you. You guys have been phenomenal. You guys keep me going. And I couldn't have kept going without you guys. So I want to make sure you guys understand how supportive you guys have been for me on my journey. Because look, it's tough. It's tough out there. Life's tough. All right, guys. Have a good weekend. Just keep swimming. See you guys on Monday. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.